Y'all, Model Ones is having a big old sale right now for Black Friday till November the 25th. Their discount code is 25% off. You can use code BFMO25. Now, y'all gonna want to take advantage of that because my standard discount code is only 20% off. So use BFMO25 to save 25% off. They have a section on their website. Some of these products are only a dime, y'all. 10 freaking cents. I'll have a link to their entire sort of sale section in the description box, but that 25% off BFMO25, that code is good site-wide. Probably not so much on the sale, the products that are already on sale. Other than that, site-wide 25% off. Y'all go take advantage of that now till the 25th. Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, of course, I'm going to be doing a Model Ones little set for you guys. It's a wintry type set, but y'all know I love unconventional colors for the seasons. So this is sort of, I'm calling this like my peachy winter set. But I did want to lead in with that Model Ones info because, again, they are having their Black Friday sale now till November the 25th. Use code BFMO25 to save 25% off. I already gave y'all all that information, but I actually filmed this set before I got that info from my PR rep. So I definitely wanted to, sort of interject that info right in the very beginning in case y'all want to go do some shopping. Okay, what am I doing? I'm going to do an ombre on this nail. I'm using an ombre brush, and I don't even know what colors I'm using. 160s, 166, and I don't know. I was talking. I don't know. If you need to know, just scroll on back. But I'm going to do 2 coats of these colors with the pinky sort of magenta-y color on the top and this beautiful, stunning peach on the bottom. Of course, my first coat is just going to be absolute trash. They always are. And then I'm going to go in with my second coat. I can't really say that the entire mani itself gets much better because mistakes were made, honey. Mistakes were made. But, it is what it is. And y'all already know my YouTube channel is Nail Art in Real Life. I'm going to show you all the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, this wasn't ugly. Nothing really about this mani was ugly. And nothing was really, air quote, bad, I guess. But mistakes were made. Things happened. And of course, I'm going to share that with y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this in the lamp, that ombre. And while that's cooking, or I'm sorry, after I've cooked that, I'm going to do a Frenchie. Now, again, okay, something else that I should not have done the way that I did, but I did. I think what I should have done on these two, I think it's my 2 middle nails, so this is going to be my middle nail and then the ring nail. I think I should have done just one full color and then done my Frenchie over that color. But no, me being the freaking doodlehead that I am, I'm like, okay, I'm going to put this color here on the bottom, map out my French, and then color it in. And then on the top part of my nail, I'm going to go in with the pink and sort of try to butt that up to the peach. But still, I don't know, try to keep it neat somehow. I don't know. Now, I have cured the peach, obviously, the French color. But here I am. I'm like, oh, I'm going to go ahead and butt this pink color up and then try to fix it with my brush and sort of butt those colors up together. It was just a pain in the ass. Sis, you should have just painted one freaking color and then gone over that with your Frenchie. Ugh. But, I mean, in the end, I kind of got there. So what I did was, or what you will see is I transposed those colors. So on this nail, which I believe is my middle nail, I did the pink at the top, the peach at the bottom, and then on the other nail, my ring nail, I did the peach at the top and the pink for my French, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Tara, take a breath. So now I'm going to use, um, or I've just used my Model 1's white. I'm just going to sort of outline my smile line with that white. Now this is my pinky nail, yes. So I'm going to do the all over peach color because, and I think y'all can see in that background, I've transposed those colors, yeah. Because, hang on, what is this? Oh, yeah, so I did the peach, and then I'm going to go over this with my no wipe top coat because I have two different dip powders that are sort of peachy like. Yeah. So here's and I'm not going to cure that. I'm going to set that off in the background because I want that wet because I have two different, what was I saying? Yeah, dip powders. The one on the right, I opt to not use because it has sort of larger, sort of green shifting glitters in it. And I didn't really want that green, I didn't want those green shifty glitters in my look. I just didn't think that it went with the whole vibe. So I set that off and I opted for this one. This is a Mia's Secret Sweet Dreams. I don't know if that's the name of the color or what have yins, but it's just glittery. It's peach. It almost perfectly matches that base color, that peachy base color. So, but it's sparkly and it's beautiful and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to sprinkle this on, and this is where, again, I sort of went wrong. Not really wrong, but this little container of dip powder is so tiny. I should have just done the pour method instead of trying to scoop it on, because I freaking made a mess, child. There was powders everywheres. So what I should have done was just maybe put like a cupcake liner underneath that tip and then just poured from the little pot over my nail. Who cares? Whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Otherwise, here I go, just making a freaking mess. So I'm just going to scoop and sort of dump this product over my wet base coat until that base coat completely just sucks up and absorbs as much of this powder as it possibly can. And then that is going to go completely matte. If you're going to do like a sweatery type of a deal, just keep dumping, keep pouring, keep scooping until the whole design, I guess, in my case, it's the entire nail, goes completely matte. So here's what I'm working with, and I'm happy. I love it. It's sparkly. I'm going to go ahead and cook that quickly. So y'all, this is where I really screwed up, and I'm going to leave this in here only because I am so proud of these freaking dots. I am that person that can never get a freaking dot, using a dotting tool. I can never get my dots uniform. I can't get them symmetrical. I don't know what the freaking problem is with me. But on this particular nail, I did literally the best dotted cure I've ever done in my entire life. I did perfect large dots. I did perfect medium dots. I did perfect tiny dots. I was obsessed with this nail, but I still screwed it up because and every time I watch this back, I'm like, you are such a goober. But I just want y'all to appreciate the fact that I did an amazing dotacure. All right, so this was the vibe I was going for. This was my idea for this particular nail. I wanted to do these dots and then go over them with, or not maybe go over, but sugar, maybe sugar is the wrong word. I wanted to put some flakies on top of these freaking dots, you guys. I can't stop laughing, I'm sorry. Because I was going for sort of this like, I don't know, snowball sort of look on this particular nail. Oh, okay. Tara, don't laugh. You have to be serious. But look, Look how freaking cute this is. I was so feeling this. And even as I'm doing it, I'm like, ooh, girl, you really did that thing. No, no, I really didn't do that thing. So I finished this up and I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and grab my little flakies. I'm gonna go over this with some micro flakies. And I think here they are. Yep, shimmer ice. These are like white, kind of clearish micro flakies. And then look, I have my little thing all ready to go, getting that all centered because I'm about to pour this over my dots. And then I'm like, pause. I did not freaking put my matte top coat down first. Shit, I had to completely wipe off all my perfect dots and then matte top coat, you guys. And then, of course, the second time around, my dots were trash. I was not happy with them at all. They looked nothing. I was not at all happy with this set of dots as I was my first set. Oh, I could have kicked my own ass, y'all. I was so upset with myself, but I still carried on because that's what we do, right? Sometimes you just got to roll with the punches. So I'm going to sprinkle these little micro flakies on here. I don't know what the problem was, though, you guys. They didn't, and for some reason, I didn't show y'all the part where after I cooked them and then I took my brush and like wiped off all the not excess. See, here they are, and I'm gonna cook them in the lamp. For some reason, those freaking flakies stuck to my matte top coat. Anyway, so here's like fail number 47. I'm like, okay, I want to do one of these like half snowflakes that I see lots of people doing nowadays. Oh, y'all, I don't think I've ever laughed as hard as I did editing this video. Watching this, look at this. This is so terrible. But I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna keep going. So let me just take my little brush. I'm gonna drag through this white gel polish. Now this is not gel paint, it's gel polish from the old Model 1s. I'm just gonna drag through. Apparently I can't even count. I'm like, oh, let me go on this side. Nope, that's not gonna work. Let me start on this side, on the left. Okay, fine. Why do I have 2 dots over here on the left and 2 dots on the right, but 3 up the middle? I don't know, y'all. I don't know what that. So I'm like, swoop. No, that's terrible. Fine, I'm gonna make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and sugar this with that same peachy powder that I used on the other nail. But I wasn't happy, so I went ahead and added a 4th little snowflake arm over here on the far right, which you will see. And I'm not even sure that really helped the design. I don't know if that helped. It's giving me like seaweed. I don't know. But I laughed a lot. I've laughed a lot rewatching this, watching it back, doing my editing. So now I'm going to take that same white gel polish and I am going to draw a bow because I don't know why. I think I was just like, this design calls for a bow. And again, I am sort of trying to practice more and do more line work and just freehand brush work, right? So I'm like, I'll go ahead and freehand a little bow thing. I mean, God knows I could have stamped 800 different snowflakes, but I'm like, no, I'm going to use my dotting tool. I'm going to use my little liner brush. I'm going to do this by hand, honey. And, I tried. I gave it a valiant effort. My bow I'm not happy with, but I think you can tell it's a bow. Maybe? I don't know. Can you tell it's a bow? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know down in the comments. So, of course, I'm going to sugar that with this the same little peachy Mia Secret powder, and that's going to match my snowflake and my pinky nail. And then, the full sugary pinky nail. And then I have these little shifty sort of rhinestones. I'm going to use my Macart rhinestone glue and my Lisette's gel nails, little gem picker upper thing. And I'm going to glue a little rhinestone right here in the middle of my bow, which I also did off camera to my snowflake, the middle of my snowflake. Not sure it helped. I don't know. Was it like putting lipstick on a pig? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. I mean, I did have fun doing sort of a wintry type of a design um, that did not involve wintry type colors, you know. So look at my index nail here. This first nail on the far left. This is with the flash on. Why did my flakies stick to my matte top coat in the background? I was so upset, y'all. I don't know. It's given me like space blobs type vibes. I don't know. Eventually, I do turn my little lamps off here to show y'all what it looks like without the flash. I mean, the colors, gorgeous. I love the combo, gorgeous. Love that powder, gorgeous. But some of my execution was just like, ooh, okay, girl. So if you stuck around this long, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. The keyword is peach. I don't know. I can't even come up with the keyword. The keyword is peach. Drop the word peach down in the comments below to let me know that y'all stuck around until the very, very end. That's going to do it for me, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this entire set, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye!